Okay, it's 61 degrees out. Today is the 8th of May, and I'm out in Hoover. I'm just inside the inlet, across from the ramp over it. I'm in about 20 feet of water. The wind's out in the north about 5-6 miles an hour. It seemed like it was breezier than that. Water temperature is 58.7 degrees, almost 60. Once it gets to 60, the bike should be getting a lot better. I'm just going to kind of scroll around through this entire inlet, see what I can catch. I got a couple frozen shad on either side. I got a piece of chicken, flavored chicken out the back. And I got some couple small crappie that I could use, live crappie that I can maybe use. But I just have them there for now. I'm just going to try to troll around this area and see if I can pick up anything. I'm seeing marks, but we'll see. I'm just off the bottom, about 19 feet down. Oh, yep, got it. Shad back here. It's a blue. Not bad. Okay, 11 pounds, 31 inches. Okay, today is the 18th of May. I've been out multiple times since my last video and haven't been very successful. Caught a few blues and caught a gar, but I just hadn't been very successful. I went up and watched a catfish tournament, kayak catfish tournament up north, and they are catching them up there. What I'm doing, I'm going to change up how I'm fishing a little bit. I'm going to fish a little shallower, not in depth of the water, but shallower as in depth of how far I put my line down. It looks like the fish are all hanging around between 10 and 20 feet. So I'm going to put an additional hook on each line right above the slip sinker, my barrel sinker, and then I'm going to put an extra piece of fish on, I have shad, so I cut a couple live shad, and I had some frozen shad, so I put those on all three lines. So I have a Carolina rig on the bottom with a barrel sinker, and then I have right above that, about half a foot above that, on the line itself, I just actually attached another hook, and I'm going to put another piece of bait on that hook, so they're about maybe 3 feet apart, and I'm going to try to lower the one down, lift it up, and then that will present one about 2 foot above. One about a foot above the bottom, the other one about 2 foot above the bottom. and then I'm going to move that up and down the water column based on where I see the fish. Right now I'm seeing all marks down towards the bottom here. It's only 10 feet deep, so they're all down about 8 feet. The water temperature is a little cooler than it has been. It dropped about 5 degrees, the water temperature, so now it's about 60. But the wind's out of the east. It feels like north-northeast, about 5 miles an hour. I'm going to drift from this inlet out towards the outside. I'm at across from Red Bank again, in this what they call Lake of the Woods area. It's it was a dammed like little mini reservoir before they put the big reservoir in, so they still have the actual. You have to go over the actual original dam section. But this is shallow all the way out to the inlet into the main reservoir, which is around 35 feet. So I'll fish those different depths and lower my bait up and down and see what it does. Once again, I'm drift fishing. I'm not dragging or doing anything like that. I'm just drifting and letting the wind blow me. And I'm going to use my trolling motor to maneuver me and keep me along the shoreline to a certain degree and try to keep me centered so I'm not blown over to the shore. I think that's about it. Here we go. That's quick. It's on a Kentucky rig. Let's get something on the first one. Okay. Talking to him. 8 pounds, 28 inches. Only a 2-pounder. But caught it. Here we go. It's on there. Small blue. At least I'm catching them. Got a 2-pounder. That's it for now. See you later.